lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to create this soft pink makeup look. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and create a glam makeup look. Firstly, I'm gonna be using Plum moisturizer. Next, I'm gonna be using Proush Silk Blur Primer. Next, for a foundation, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Superstay Foundation shade 120. Next, I'm gonna be using Swiss Beauty Concealer Plus Contour Stick. Next, I'm gonna be using Kai Beauty Contour as Highlight Pro palette. Next, I'm gonna be using my Glam matte blush shade Loyalty. Now just set the base first. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder shade 230. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Swiss Beauty Concealer. Next, for eyeshadow today, I'll be using Colourpop eyeshadow palette. am going to take this shade from this Nika eyeshadow palette and apply it on the top of my eyes, and done. I am first going to highlight my inner corner, my brow bone, just a little bit highlighter, just hint of highlighter. Now next I am going to use Mama Earth eyeliner shade black. Next for my brows I am gonna be using PAC brow definer kit. Next I am going to use a Sugar Cosmetic 3-in-1 palette blush bronzer highlighter, and I am just going to highlight all the high points on my face. Next I am gonna be using Swiss Beauty mascara. Next I am going to use Plum Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick. Lastly, I am going to use a MAC Prep Plus Fix Plus makeup setting spray. And yeah, that's it. This is the final makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hope you liked this video. So go and follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook, Twitter. All the links will be down in the description box, so check them out. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now with the red subscribe button. And also don't forget to press the bell button which is right next to it, because that way you'll get a notification every time I posted a new video in my channel. So yeah, like, comment, share my video. Love you all.